Hi everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team of Start channel. In this video tutorial, I will take you how to create account from Dailymotion and starting to earn money from all over the world. And I will take you from the beginning to the advanced points. It means starting to the full or entire of the video tutorial. So let's get started. This platform is very easy to use, no limitation, no hour requirements, and no subscribe requirements. So you can start earning from the first video to the thousand of videos, and you can make $5 per 1K views. This means you can start to create account and start earning immediately at the same time. No need, no requirements, no anything at all, no experience. This means you can start earning from your first video without any followers or without anyone that have been subscribed or follow you. So there are no single requirements at all. So don't hesitation. So go to click on the sign up here and then fill up your information like email address and password. It should be with this punctuation mark, and then select the date of birth. So year where you're born and the date of your birth. For example, I'm going to use this one. Okay, and select the gender. If you are a male, you select a male, and if you are a female, you can select it a female. And check this box, and then click on accept Dailymotion, and then click on sign up here. And wait a moment, and then click on the save password to make you can log in later with the faster way. And now go to your email to see the confirmation code that have been sent to your email account. So go to your yahoo.com or your email account and then click on inbox. You will see the confirmation code that have been sent to your account, and then double click on that, right click on that and copy it and pass it this place here, and then click on verify. And now your email have been successfully verified, and we are good to do with that. And this time we go to the setting here to add some information about that, and you can see your name is completely not yet have the full name. So what are you going to call it? So now I'm going to test video like this. This is my testing account. Now I'm going to show you like that, and click on update, and you can see your account has been updated. And this time we're going to go to the library here, and here is you can see the way that you can first upload the videos. But when you upload the video, you will be see the private version. This means nobody can watch your video if you are not a publisher's partner. So to do that, now I'm going to bring you to the publisher partner here. So just going down, scroll more down, and you will see the word that's called publisher here. So go ahead and click on this way, and you should select your location later. You can choose or change your location later. And now you will see there's privacy setting, and then click on accept all. And scroll more down. And then click on the sign in here on the top right hand side. You need to sign it in again, because it means you have different account. One is the visitor account, and this place is the publisher's account. So it uses the same account, but it completely separated between a visitor account and a publisher account. It means different page between all of these things. So when you click on sign in, you will see there's something that says upgrade to partner. So click on that. And you have to read all information, rules, policy, and everything that have been appearing like this if you have free time. But now I'm gonna not read for you, so you can read it by yourself. And then scroll more down, you will see accept term. And now this term is the place that you can create your real channel. What is your channel talking about, and what is your channel is posting about? So now I'm gonna add some banner here to add some channel art here. So click on that and find the image that you think you can use it to be the YouTube thumbnail or YouTube background here. So click on that, not a YouTube, sorry. Now I'm going to use this image here, and then click on save, and make sure you can read the size all of this. If you see something wrong, it means your size is completely not right or fit to this platform. So the thing that we're going to do next is to edit your size with the Photoshop and then re-upload it again. So now I'm going to use the Photoshop to completely fast to edit this image, and then click on the first one here, click on continuous, and now you have to select this size here, 1920 and 1080 pixel, and choose the pixel and click OK. And this time we're gonna bring the image that we really want to put it inside your Photoshop here. So drag it to be this place, and then make it more fitted to this place here. Okay, now the size is look like this, and then hit enter, and now I'm gonna click on save to desktop, and then say channel art for Dailymotion. Okay, do that. You have to do it by yourself because you need to do it like this, and then click on save, and then click on OK. Now you have one image that is completely fit to the channel art here. So go to click to upload again, and then select the image that you have been already edited with the Photoshop. And now you can see everything is look like fit, and then click on save here. And now there is nothing error again. So now click on the profile channel here. You can choose one just among of the file size that 160 multiple 160. It means a clear image size. And now you can see everything is working fine, and you can adjust it later by the image here. And here is the real channel name. So I'm not gonna put it to change it to other thing, because if you do it by yourself, you can change it to whatever you want, to your name or to what your channel is called. And this time we're gonna take a short brief of the tagline here. So what is your channel is talking about? Okay, now I'm gonna call it funny animal, because this topic we talk about animals. Play in the world like this for fun. Okay, it is a short tag, and you can edit your names or the description about your channel. What is your channel is talking about? Here's like this. So like an example here to posting animal worldwide, just like that. It is an example, and blah 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 blah. And here is the custom domain that you can change, or you can put the custom domains by yourself. Now I'm gonna example for you. White animals, just gonna call that animal. And then click out. If you see something that is wrong, it will have the red text that warning you inside this. Another time we can add the URLs of the website if you have, but if you don't have, please keep it in blank. That I have, so I need to put it. This is my blogspot website here. And this one is the time that you can change your location, your country. But we don't need to change anything, because this platform is support worldwide. It can show ad worldwide, so they are not limited to other countries. So it can show it worldwide. So don't worry about it. But if you want to be high CPM payout rate, you need to change that country also. And you have to put some information about in social media. For example, I'm going to use this one. Facebook.com/Khmerue team, just like this. And it means all. If you have your account small, you can add it with the username account here, and then click on save. The username is already taken. It means someone else who already used this keyword here. Okay, now I'm gonna use this time again. Okay, it means that this place is someone else is already taken. Now I'm going to change the username like this. So the white monkey animal, just like that. I think there is no people that using that. And when you already successfully add all the information, you will see the welcome to the Dailymotion partner program, DDP, as a partner. And this time, you can now earn money with your first video. So no need to someone else to subscribe or follow or do anything with that. So to do that, we're gonna click on upload a video. Now I'm gonna test one video for you. So I'm gonna click here and choose one of the small short video here. It's taking about 15 minutes. And then you're gonna type the seashore, because the video is talking the sea food finder. Okay, now it's time to do this, and that's some information that when the video is starting to upload, you need to edit some information inside here, so you can add the text. Okay, copy and paste just like this. You have to prepare some text into the notepad and copy it and paste it, because it makes you more faster. And this time we're gonna choose the category of your video is what is your video is talking about. So now we're gonna find some categories. So example, this is an animal, so you should choose an animals. And this you cannot create this playlist immediately, but I will tell you how to create it first after the video is uploading finished. So if you click on this, it will take you to leave. So it means you lost your uploading. So don't do that. So you need to keep or hold on until your video is completely uploaded, and then I will tell you how to create the playlist if you want. And now the video is completely uploaded and it has been processing. So the thing that we're gonna do next is you need to select the video that is your video is made for kid or not. If your video is made for kid, please select it, and if your video is not made for kid, please use the below one, because you said no, my video is not created for kid. And now everything is done. So I'm not talking about this place because this place is talking about the block Sam's country that you don't want to show that video to the other country. So don't do that. So you need to make it worldwide. And then after you see all information is complete or successful like this, so click on publish like that. And here is the URL of your video, and you can now watch your video just through that. So you can see the video here. Everything is uploaded. Okay, now you can see the video and the channel and information here. And now we're gonna turn back to this place, go to video here, and you will see you are already earning now. So it is with your one video and with the first time of video upload. This means you can start now earning without limitation or without the rule requirement. So it is easy to use. And the final step is I'm going to show you how to create a playlist. Now go to select this playlist here, and then this time we can create a playlist first and select on menus playlist, click next. And here is what you are talking about. For example, now I'm going to talk more live, and you have to some information about this playlist. The word wise anymore, and then click on publish here. Next time every time you upload, you can choose the playlist directly from that, and then click on create here. And now you have one more playlist, and here's the URL of the playlist here. And this time we go to video again and click on the three dots here and edit it. And then this time now you can put it to the playlist like this. So click on that, and you will see the text mark here. And then click outside. It means you already put it into the playlist. So here is the way that you can start earning with only first time of using. No limitation, no requirements. So thank you for watching.